how to upload a landscape video on Instagram Reels. So what we can simply do is here, open your Instagram and click on your story option. So you have to choose a landscape video. I mean, you have to choose a video which is like on landscape. You have shoot on landscape mode. So here I'm searching for one, and you can simply choose that video. And yeah, here I got one, so I will simply choose this video and click on done. If that video is long, you have to simply make it shorter, or you can simply upload it. So what you can do is you can simply like you can simply move it, and you can simply turn it. And yeah, this is how you can like save it and create a reel out of it. If not, you can even use it in the original way that it was, but I prefer it to move it and make it into like a full screen thing. And I can simply download it, and yeah, that is how you can upload a landscape video on Instagram Reel by using this method. And yeah,